All right, so we are in search of something incredible, and this is the ASUS Zenbook. I believe it's the one with the Ryzen 5 4500U processor, and we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxed. I've never owned an ASUS laptop before. Actually, I think I have. Nope, I haven't. Have I? I don't think so. What does it say? In search of incredible. So this is a laptop that I was not expecting to have on this channel. Let's see what else is in the box real quick. What kind of packaging is this? So basically what you get in here is the charger cable on the laptop. That's all I could really find. So let's go ahead and see what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything, unless my nostrils aren't working anymore. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. Kind of disappointing, but it's better than smelling really bad, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and, my goodness, get this peeled off. Ooh, that's a really loud plastic, ASUS. I like it. Is this a piece of cloth? Oh, it's on the inside. I'm so dumb. Why is this so hard? It's been so long since I've done a laptop unboxing. So there's cloth on the inside. This feels really good. This is a 14-inch laptop, I believe. This is gonna turn on like Apple. Ooh, I love this design. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and get powder on real quick. Is there any juice in here? There's no juice. Okay, before I plug this in, let me actually show you guys the ports. All right, so it looks like we have our charging port at the top with the USB-A, HDMI, and USB-C. Then on the other side, we have a microphone jack, a micro USB, and another USB-A port. So a lot of ports on this machine. Why would you ever get an XPS 13? Okay, before I start saying nonsense like that, let's go ahead and get this charged up real quick. So, okay, now that I got it plugged in, let's see what it's like when you boot it up. It's a very clean design. Ooh. This is really clean. I like this material. So another thing I want to show you guys, the trackpad is actually really big. It has the Ryzen 5, like I said before, NVIDIA graphics, I did not know that, and Alexa enabled. But there's Cortana on the screen.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
I know. I really love this design. So before I do the Windows setup real quick, at the top right here, you can see it looks to be, I don't know if this is metal, but it's some type of metallic engraving on the top, and it says ASUS Zenbook. I really like the design. I will say though, however, that I don't actually like how the keys aren't that legible, even with the backlit keys enabled. That's kind of a bummer. Whoa, I just got some huge aroma from this. Oh my God, this smells so good. It smells like, the screen is what smells. It smells like a new car. Oh, it smells like my car when I bought it. Oh my God, it smells so good. Only the display, that's so weird. Yeah, the bottom part doesn't smell like anything. Oh my God, typing on this thing feels kind of weird. Feels good. Not that it's bad, it just feels, there's no like, I don't know what the word is, but it doesn't feel like I'm actually pushing down on anything. Like there's nothing that makes it feel like it registers when I push down on it. It feels like I'm just pushing on clouds. But the keyboard layout is, like I said, it's really hard to see these keys. Can I turn on the backlit even more? I actually like it with the backlit off. I'm really curious to why this says Alexa enabled. It's really strange. I've never seen a laptop that has Alexa in it. Another cool thing is that it has the home, page up, page down, and end on the right-hand side, as you can see right here. So that's pretty cool if you are a person who uses those buttons a lot. Also the display. I know a lot of people have been raving about how amazing the display is on the XPS series, but if this has been out for this long, why isn't this laptop getting praised like the XPS when the display looks almost as nice as the XPS series? It's just really strange. My guess it's because the XPS has full HD plus, where this has Windows Hello. I feel like I paid $400 for this. How does this have Windows Hello? So while Windows is starting up, a few more things that I want to talk about this laptop with that I just realized is, as you can see, the laptop right now, I'm gonna do it on this side. As you can see right now, the laptop is flat on the table, but when I pull it all the way back, it lifts up. My guess is just because that helps with the cooling to raise it up a little bit so the fans aren't directly on the table or whatever surface you're using. And it also gives you a little bit of height adjustment when typing on the laptop. So why isn't everyone talking about this laptop? Yeah, the only thing that is throwing me off is the keyboard. The keycaps themselves feel great. I love the top of these keys, but like I said, there's nothing that makes it feel like the keys are being registered when I press it down. Like there's no click, it's not like a mechanical keyboard, but there's no point when I push it down that it feels like, hey, it's registered. It's just, God, this trackpad is massive. It's long too. Look at this thing. I wanted to smell it, to be honest. It smells so good on the top. Yeah, guys, I'm not a fan of this keyboard, but like I've always said in every single one of my reviews and unboxing, keyboards are subjective. There are going to be some people who love this keyboard. There's going to be other people that think this keyboard, like me, is kind of lackluster, but it's okay. I think, like, if I were to, I don't know what I'm trying to say. The keyboard is just, it's not my cup of tea. So next up, we're going to go to a country and see how it looks and also test out the speakers. It actually looks really good. This display, wow. Have a look. Let me get a better scene. Like, that's really impressive, guys. It's near bezel-less like the XPS. Oh, smells like luxury. That's what it smells. It smells like yep, it smells like I'm stepping into a German car with 5 miles on it. And it has my name on it. Oh, it smells so good. This is a really good laptop. So let me read off the specs for you guys real quick. And I also want to know how much I paid for this because I'm really impressed. So this has the Ryzen 5 4500U with Radeon graphics. That's what it says. Well, I guess that's the one that's built in. Has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. I'm sure it's using M.2, so it might be upgradable. I have to open it up and see. And then I also have the NVIDIA GeForce MX 350, which is really interesting. I have never heard of this GPU before. I guess it's something that's only for laptops. So another thing is, ooh, it's getting a little toasty right here. I didn't even show you guys the bottom of the laptop. So these are the speaker grills right here. So that's really nice. Also have the vents on the bottom to help with cooling, as well as on the back right here. And I just noticed it has Zenbook written on the back. This is such an amazing device. I feel like I would much rather recommend this than the XPS. Man, 14 inches needs to be the new wave. This is like the perfect size for me. Like, I would say 15 inches is too big, but 14 inches is like perfect. Like, this is even better than the 13 inch. I haven't done this in an unboxing. I want to take off the bottom panel real quick. So let me get my iFixit kit. So looking at this now, this actually looks like a really nice heating design by ASUS. We have an M.2 slot, which looks to be upgradable, which is really good. The RAM is soldered on, unfortunately. So if you were looking up to upgrade the RAM, you can't do that. But I'm not sure what this one means. This is, that's new to me. But if you are looking to upgrade the SSD, you can do that, which is really nice by ASUS. All right, so the final test is me opening up Windows Hello and seeing how good it is. It's good. Unlike the XPS where it always gives me problems, this is quick. This is quick. Wow, this thing cost, how much did I pay for this? Listen, I know this is the honeymoon phase and I'm just swept away by how beautiful this thing is, but I feel like when it comes to my review, this might be a better value than buying the XPS 13. Even though you don't get touchscreen, the display is just as good. It's still a matte finish. I mean, come on. And you get a dedicated graphics. How could you not recommend this laptop? The port selection is also good. Unfortunately, there's no Thunderbolt 3, but you still get HDMI built in. You get 2 USB-A, which I would even argue is something that a lot of people are still using to this day. And you still get a USB-C port regardless. The only downside is I don't think I can charge through this port, but I mean, I guess that's just a compromise you have to make at a laptop at this price point. But overall, and you're getting a Ryzen processor, which is pretty good inside a laptop. I'm gonna have to do some testing on that. But wow. This is the ASUS Zenbook. I'm going to daily drive this for a couple days and give you guys my final thoughts on it. But overall, this is looking to be a really good laptop, guys. I'm not even joking. Just the amount of value that I get, even the raise and the smell. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video of the ASUS Zenbook. If you did like it, please make sure to subscribe, like the video if you did, and as always, guys, much love. Dude, this smells like I'm sitting inside of an expensive car that I can't afford. That's made in Germany. Smells so good. ASUS, you went straight to the moon from that. Oh, it's on par with the Book 3. The Book 3 smelled like good. This smells expensive. Oh, so good.